Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to build a medium range gaming PC in 2026. Okay, for the power supply I would be buying a high quality one, because the golden rule of PC building is don't shit out on the power supply. So I would buy a Corsair CX550. It's a really good power supply for its price, and it's got like really good ratings. It's a basic ATX power supply, so I would buy this. I would recommend this. For an SSD, I would buy something like an M.2 SSD. Like if you have a higher budget, you can go with Samsung or Crucial. But if you need to really cheap out on it, like this no name make would be just fine. Actually, it's 256 gigabytes. You wouldn't be putting any games on this drive. You would mainly use it for the operating system, and it's got decent speeds. So all around for $60, it's a quite a decent M.2 SSD. Yes, for the games and for larger files, I would be getting a HDD because it's much cheaper if you are on a budget. I would recommend a Seagate Barracuda, because these are really high quality ones for its price, and it's actually $80. Got decent speeds for a HDD, and it's enough for a couple of games, but for today, like in the current gaming era, like 1 terabyte is like barely enough. If you have a higher budget, I would buy the 2 terabyte one, and it's around like $120. Yes, for the motherboard, we are gonna head over to the used market. I would be buying this. This is a really good motherboard. It's an MSI MEG B550 Tomahawk with a AM4 socket. It's like a really good quality one, and if you can find it for a good price. For example, I found this on eBay for like $70. This would be a really solid motherboard. And for the CPU, I would be buying a Ryzen 7 5700. It's an okay CPU. It has 8 cores and 16 threads with 32 megabytes of L3 cache. But if you have a higher budget or you want to overclock, I would buy the X variant from this, or the Ryzen 7 5800X. But these costs around like $150 to $200, even in the used market. For the graphics card, like I found a really rare one. It's an EVGA variant of the RTX 3060, 12 gigabyte, and in reality, any RTX 3060 would do it just fine. If you can find like an Asus one or an MSI one, you can buy that too. These are actually solid choices. Or Gigabyte. That's also a really good one. For memory, I would buy a 2x8 kit. It's important to have dual channel, because the computer is like faster, and video games always like dual channel memory. It's important to have it around the speed of 3200 megahertz. For example, this Corsair Vengeance memory, it is for like $90. It's just a little bit high, but you are seeing the memory market. It's a hellhole currently. And for the PC case, I would be buying an ATX one because of the motherboard, but it depends on you. I found this Rosefield PC case for like around $50, but if you have the money for it, you can buy a gigabyte, not gigabyte, Be Quiet 1. These are like really high quality cases, or NZXT. These in these cases are much better to build a computer than this Roosevelt, but this is actually still a solid choice. And that's it for today. Bye bye.